Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So like I said in my giveaway videos, I ran the giveaway for 2 days on 11th and 12th. I also said I will pick the winner on 13th. So today is the date. This is the first competition winner. I can announce it today. Don't worry if you don't win the competition, because I'm gonna do it more and more in the coming days, so you have a chance to win £10 PayPal money, guys. So every time I publish that announce a new competition, I also put this link called for that giveaway competition, so you have to put the PayPal email address on there, so it's easier to pick up from that. Alright, so this is the first competition giveaway, and this is the dashboard. I have over 45 entries for this giveaway, so I'm gonna pick the winner now. So I go there. I don't have to do anything. I don't want to pick I don't want to be I want to pick a random winner, so I had to go this software. It's called King Sumo. It will automatically pick a winner from that 45 entry. So click throw winner and let's see who win that competitions. So this is the person who win this competition. I don't know where he is, I don't know his name, but I'm gonna send him his money right now. So guys, I'm sending his money. This is the £10 PayPal money giveaway. So I adding note, thank you for subscribing to my channel, something like that. Okay, so you can win £10 PayPal money. So whenever I run the competition, so all you have to do is subscribe and press the bell icon, so you will get notified when I release new videos, guys. So click continue and you will receive £10 PayPal money, guys. So guys, like I said, I ran my first competitions and I picked the winner. I already sent his £10 PayPal money, and you can win £10 PayPal money whenever I run a competition. So all you have to do, like I said before, subscribe, press the bell icon, so you will get notified. Also join my Facebook group and Instagram, and also on my website, so you can get notified from all other different sources and you don't have to miss anything, guys. Thanks guys for watching on my channels. I try to upload one video every day. Watch those videos, and also you can win £10 PayPal money, guys. Until that, see you in next video.